Now we're going to very quickly look at MIDI setup on the Mac. I've already connected my keyboard and my USB interface, and now I just go to the Audio MIDI setup in the launch pad. When I've opened that up, I go to Window Show MIDI window so that I can have a look at my devices, and assuming that I've connected them all correctly following the instructions and turned them on, they should appear here in the MIDI Studio. And in the MIDI Studio you can test the setup by clicking the button and then playing, and you should get some feedback, and you will hear beeping as well. It's not being, you can't hear it in this software, but there you go. What you must do at the end is shut the MIDI Studio down and quit the Audio MIDI setup by going Command Q or from the menu like that. Otherwise, you will find when you open up your software, that will still be running in the background and you'll hear all this beeping and wondering what's going on. So now I'm just opening up GarageBand. Just click the keyboard collection. And now what I can do is play the various pianos. All I need to do is just start playing and it automatically picks up the playing that I'm doing, and you can see the feedback here. I'm sorry you can't hear it. This is because QuickTime doesn't record the audio from the software, but you can see the visual feedback that it's actually working very well, very easily. And that's all there is to setting up your MIDI on a Mac. So to summarise the MIDI setup on the Mac, first of all, install your USB MIDI keyboard or USB MIDI interface according to the instructions. Then you can check and test the setup in Mac's Audio MIDI setup, which you'll find in the launch pad. Make sure that you close this software down before you launch your recording software so that you don't keep hearing the test beeps in your software when you're recording and wonder where they're from. And finally, check the Windows lecture for the various examples of how you might have to set up your MIDI device within specific software. Often you might need to enable your device within the software. It might not work automatically.